Welcome back to another healthy longevity recipe. Today's recipe is seasoned black beans, and I'm going to show you how to cook them in the Instant Pot. I'm Dr. Jonette. I've spent the last 30 years working in the emergency department, and I see firsthand every day the chronic diseases that result of an unhealthy diet. So let's get cooking and make some heart healthy seasoned black beans. To get started, we are adding 4 cups of water to the Instant Pot. This recipe will use 1 pound of beans or about 2 cups of dried black beans. To that water, I'm adding the 1 pound of black beans that have been rinsed and washed. And to that, we're going to add our seasonings, and that's really as difficult as it gets. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of dried onions, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I just give a good scoop there. Estimate those 2 tablespoons. And that's it. This recipe is heart healthy because it's high in fiber, high in antioxidants, and helps control your blood sugar. So it's also a great source of protein for a plant-based protein meal. This is what would give you a protein fiber first meal, which is great for your metabolism. I'm putting the cover on the Instant Pot. I'm going to plug it in, and I am going to set it to high for 40 minutes and then just let it laterally release for another 20 minutes. So it takes about an hour to cook these in the Instant Pot. Our black beans are all cooked and cooled. Let's give them a try. They smell wonderful. You can see there's a nice kettle full of black beans, and I'm gonna stir them up. These are great for tacos, for burritos, for just black beans as a side dish of black beans, in black bean burgers, on a salad. So many ways you can use beans. They were a staple when I was growing up. We had beans probably at least 4 or 5 times a week. These are so much better than just plain black beans. All of those spices in the Instant Pot, it all comes together and it's just fabulous. Thank you for joining me today and for watching. If you go to my website, growwithdrjonette.com, you'll be able to find this recipe as well as a bunch of ways that you can use this recipe for all of your favorite plant-based, protein, fiber-rich meals. And we'll see you next time on the Dr. Jonette channel. This video is for educational purposes only. While I am a doctor, I'm not your doctor. So before you make any changes to your diet, start any exercises, or add any supplements to your regime, make sure you discuss the information that you've seen and heard here with your doctor.